All right, let's go see what the babies are doing. A little windy out today. Oh, there goes Mama. Good morning. They're watching me. Oh. Is that like a warning? Okay, so the bird saga continues. Here I am up on the ladder in my garage. I just had to clean what was the start of a nest off of here. I've had to chase a couple birds out of here. I thought I was rolling on this, but evidently not. That's where the nest was, and that's what's left of it there. They were just getting started. There were no eggs, no birds, no baby birds in it. So anyway, we're done with that. Looks like I'm gonna have to pull out my new friend, or my old friend, the owl. Maybe hang him up there to keep these goofy birds from trying to make a nest in my garage door opener again. We'll see how this works. All right, what do you think? If you were a bird, would this scare you off? We'll find out.